You'll find the windshield wiper washer controls on the multifunction lever to the left of the steering wheel. Turn the wiper knob to one of 4 positions for intermittent settings. Rotate the lever to the first position after intermittent settings for low-speed wipers, or rotate it to the next detent for high-speed wipers. For a single wiping cycle, tap the mist button at the end of the lever. Pressing and holding the button in will activate the windshield washer. The wipers will turn on and continue to operate for a few cycles after the button is released, then resume the intermittent interval previously selected, or stop if the wipers were previously off. If equipped, the rain-sensing wipers function senses moisture on the windshield and automatically activates the wipers for you. You can adjust the sensitivity by selecting one of the 4 intermittent positions. If you want to enable or disable this feature, you can select the option in your Uconnect settings. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.